northern stretch of the road between Milan and Naples, which runs for almost 500 miles. Hundreds of cars were pelted with hail, forcing drivers to pull up by the roadside and causing authorities to close part of the road for a short time. Footage broadcast by Italian weather channel Matteo Weather 24 showed vehicles